Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add tickets in Sprint in Jira. Let's get started. First, go to Jira and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on your selected Scrum project. In this new tab containing your Scrum project, click on this Backlog tab from the navigation menu above. In this new tab containing your backlogs, under this backlog section, hold down your left mouse button on your selected ticket and drag it up to your selected sprint up here. This pop-up will appear informing you that this action will affect your sprint scope. With that in mind, click on Confirm right here. And that is how you can add tickets in Sprint in Jira. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.